blame without proof is very easy to blame, but it'll be nice. Being a legislature, it's better to have a proper proof and then do a proper survey. And if it goes because of us, so at least we can have a discussion. Till date, we did not receive, I believe even the concerned department did not receive that such kind of letters has been sent to the state of Meghalaya. It might be there, but I was not aware. So if it was there, I think I might have a copy of it also. We have not received any kind of letter that mentioning that because of Meghalaya, this is the cause of their flood in Assam. Most of the time, okay, let's say this is naturally it happened. We are on a higher level, they are on a lower level. So naturally, the water will go from Meghalaya to them. Sometimes, if they are in a higher level, it comes to us also. But that doesn't mean we have to blame. It is naturally it happened like this. It's God created this. It's not that we put ourselves on top and they themselves they dig and they stay on the lower. That we cannot blame just for their flood, and now they have to blame us. The only thing is that what is the solution? They have to find out. A solution is that make a proper drainage so that they'll avoid all those things. Until unless they do that, if it is today, you made an accident and you blame the road, that is your fault. You with a high speed you drive, so you accident. So to avoid your accident, you have to drive properly and then, you know, take care so that you will not make an accident. Those kind of a preventive need to be taken care. Otherwise, blaming others is easy to blame, but it doesn't look nice. I don't know how you look at it, but for me myself, that is my personal feelings. That before we blame somebody, better we look it properly. And if it happens, also the water goes from Meghalaya to Assam, still why blame Meghalaya? I mean, it happened to be overflow of water from here. We are the highest rainfall in the world. So of course, the leftover water has to go somewhere else. We cannot just keep it here. What do we do with that so much of water? If we want to keep it, so we cannot keep it. So it has to flow somewhere. If a water from India can flow to Pakistan, so why not? No.